Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. Money creates a positive impact on my life and the life of others. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with ease. I can handle massive success with ease. Money expands my life's opportunities. Money expands my life's opportunities. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I am becoming more and more prosperous every day. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I deserve abundance and prosperity. I attract enough passive income to pay for the lifestyle I want. I believe money is important. I believe money is important. I know that money is freedom. I know that money is freedom. I get rich doing what I love. I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interests. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. Attracting money comes easily to me. I deserve to be rich. I deserve to be rich. I am financially free. I am financially free. I add value to other people's lives. I add value to other people's lives. The more value I contribute, the more money I will make. The more value I contribute, the more money I will make. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am debt-free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am happy to pay my bills for all that they provide me. I am happy to pay my bills for all that they provide me. The money I spend and earn makes me happy. The money I spend and earn I love money, and money loves me. I love money, and money loves me. The universe provides enough money for everyone. The universe provides enough money for everyone. I always have more money coming in than going out. I always have more money coming in than going out. I deserve money in my life. I deserve money in my life. My income is always greater than my expenses. My income is always greater than my expenses. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I enjoy managing and investing my money. I enjoy managing and investing my money. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I always have enough money. I always have enough money. I attract money to give to others. I attract money to give to others. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. Money is energy and it flows into my life constantly. Money is energy and it flows into my life constantly. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. I let go of all my fears around money. My net worth is increasing. My net worth is increasing. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. Every day, I choose money and wealth. Every day, I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. Money is abundant and I attract it naturally. Money is abundant and I attract it naturally. I am happy where I currently am. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. Money is unlimited and my prosperity is unlimited. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. The more I give, the more I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. I radiate prosperity, money, and wealth. I release everything blocking my money at this moment. Money is pouring into my life. Money is pouring into my life. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. I am wealthy and living on my own terms. Life loves me and contributes to me constantly. Life loves me and contributes to me constantly. I deserve abundance in my life. I deserve abundance in my life. My life is improving and prosperity is coming to me right now. My life is improving and prosperity is coming to me right now. My bank account is constantly filled with money. My bank account is constantly filled with money. I forgive myself and set myself free of all limiting beliefs. I forgive myself and set myself free of all limiting beliefs. There are no limits to the money I can make. There are no limits to the money I can make. The more fun I have, the more money I make. Abundance is everywhere around me. Abundance is everywhere around me. I constantly live in comfort and joy. I constantly live in comfort and joy. I release all my fear around money. An abundance of money is flowing into my life right now. An abundance of money is flowing into my life right now. I believe anyone can be wealthy, including myself. I believe anyone can be wealthy, including myself. My wealth comes from being honest and true in everything I do. I will always have everything I need. The universe takes excellent care of me. I will always have everything I need. The universe takes excellent care of me. My mind is a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. My mind is a powerful magnet for wealth and abundance. I live my life in an abundance of money. My income is constantly increasing. Thank you, universe, for providing me with all the money and wealth I need. My income is constantly increasing. Thank you, universe, for providing me with all the money and wealth I need. I take every great opportunity that comes my way. I take every great opportunity that comes my way. If others can be wealthy, so can I. If others can be wealthy, so can I. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that which I want to see. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that which I want to see. the resources I need are within me. All the resources I need are within me. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, worthy. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, worthy. I love my life and everything it provides me with. I love my life and everything it provides me with. Abundance is all around me, in everything I do.